SMA is not merely a manufacturer of inverters. A core differentiator of SMA's large-scale energy solutions is our advanced in-house testing capabilities. These capabilities give our customers the security and assurance that our products meet all the region-specific, grid compliance and certification requirements as outlined by regulators and TSOs. Let's take a closer look at the key tests performed here at SMA. In the SMA test lab, we are able to set up and induce synthetic phase jump events to ensure that our products can respond instantaneously to sudden voltage changes, by supplying additional active phase jump power to support the grid in case of major frequency events. These requirements are key for compliance and certification in advanced stability markets such as the UK, Germany, Australia, and more. In addition, it is also performed to assess how well our products can maintain stable operations when the phase angle of the grid's voltage suddenly changes. These tests are performed to validate that our products can ride through large phase jumps. The I-landing test proves that an SMA grid forming plant can independently sustain a stable system when isolated from the wider grid. When every battery plant in the system has I-landing capabilities, you are able to cut off the rest of the system and still have a local stable island. When pressing the button you see here, the breaker will disconnect the power system from the grid emulator in the lab to form a stable island. One can then create islands within a system to ensure that it's robust enough to manage large disturbances. The fault ride-through test replicates short-circuit events and sudden high-voltage events. Here we validate that our products will not disconnect during a short circuit, but ride through it, while also providing an appropriate reactive current response during the event to ensure that the grid is supported in the best way possible. Furthermore, we perform harmonic tests on our products to verify that the inverter's output meets the standards for harmonic distortion. The key is that the voltage and the current have a clean waveform to ensure a clean and stable grid. Another key test in the SMA lab is hardware-in-the-loop testing, where we assess how multiple inverters work together with the power plant manager in a real-time grid emulator. Instead of just testing a single device, the hardware-in-the-loop test performs plant-level tests on our equipment to validate software functionality in a controlled and simulated environment. All these advanced, in-house grid disturbance tests performed here at SMA give our customers the security, assurance and the proof that our products will provide the right performance at the right time for the right market. SMA's large-scale energy solutions do not consist merely of exceptionally manufactured products, but also include our engineering services, power plant manager, and these advanced testing capabilities, enabling us to provide unified, reliable solutions for our customers globally.